Are they waiting to buy this? Are they waiting to buy this?
Yeah.
Is it really delicious or?
I haven't tried it yet, but
Okay.
I assume it is.
To buy strooptafel. It's a kind of Dutch cookies. Can you believe it? This line. Hi, I'm Saeed. You're watching Travelmakers TV. Today I will take you with me at Kalverstraat. It's very well known street in Amsterdam in terms of shopping and just walking and get vibes. It's a very nice street. It is also very, I think I can say the famous, the most famous shopping street in Amsterdam, I believe. Yeah, I will just keep quiet a little bit to get the vibes of this street.
Daar zit je mee belachelijk man.
Qué poloito. Jij hebt niet zo.
Yes, we are walking at Kalverstraat, Kalver Street in Amsterdam. I would say it's also well-known street. If you search on internet about this street, one of the information that comes up is Bill Clinton, because I think Bill Clinton's also was on this street. 2013, I believe. I'm not sure that 2013 he was president of the US, but anyway, it's also one of the piece of information that you get if you search this street on the internet. It's a nice shopping street, and you can see all a big
I see the
fashion marks. They have location in this street, like everyone almost.
Heb je kans?
Yeah, from this street, alley, you can go to Rooking Street. So this is Rooking Street. No, it's also, I don't know what
No?
it is exactly, but yeah.
De achterkant.
Twee personen doen? Dan moet ik nog 2 mensen.
Yeah, here is the junction of Kalverstraat and Spoor. You can see, I don't know, it's a little far, really, but yeah. We will continue at Kalverstraat. It's a spring day, beautiful weather, and a lot of happy people. You can see.
Yo creo que la
Io gliel'avevo detto a mio zio che era mio ospite. Ma oggi wegslaat.
Yeah, you can see this line of people here. They are waiting to eat or to buy strooptafel. It's a kind of Dutch cookies. Can you believe it? This line, this queue is waiting to buy Dutch cookies. Yeah, I'm not sure that it's Dutch, but yeah, it's so powerful. It's, are they waiting to buy this? Are they
Yes,
waiting to
yeah.
buy this?
Yeah.
And is it really delicious or?
I haven't tried it yet, but
Okay.
I assume it is.
Yeah? Yeah. I have nothing to say. But yeah, it's interesting too, because it's a very well-known shop for making this kind of cookies. So, yeah. If you are a tourist, you want to try everything. So, I believe it's good.
Bana unutturuyorsun böyle.
Yeah, we are going now to Munt or Mint Square. Yeah, almost there. It's end of Kalverstraat. Yeah, we walked at Kalverstraat. We started from Dam Square and we walked all the way down to Munt or Mint Square. Yeah, I will finish this video here. Love you very much. Thanks for watching. I hope that you leave comments. I need your comments to get energy. You know, it's nice to see that your work is seen by other people. So I hope that I get a lot of comments from you, a lot of energy, and yeah, I can go forward very strong. Thank you for watching. Have a good day and see you in next video.